Good morning, students. We are continuing chapter last, that is balance of payment, chapter number 5. Today we will discuss that what is the relation between rate of exchange and demand. Yesterday we have studied about sources of demand of foreign exchange, or why do we demand foreign exchange. I have told you the sources of demand. Now I am telling you that there is inverse relation between price of rate of exchange and demand. Like other commodities, there is inverse relation between rate of foreign exchange and demand. If rate of foreign exchange rises, demand falls, and if rate falls, then demand rises. Now we shall discuss the reason for that what are the reasons for increase in demand when price of foreign currency falls. So first reason is when the price of foreign currency falls, imports from that country becomes cheaper. जिस भी कंट्री की करेंसी का प्राइस फॉल होता है उस कंट्री के गुड्स कंपैरेटिवली चीपर हो जाते हैं, देन हमारे लिए इंपोर्ट्स चीपर हो जाएंगे, और जब हम इंपोर्ट्स की डिमांड करेंगे देन वी नीड फॉरेन करेंसी मोर टू परचेज दैम. सो व्हेन प्राइस ऑफ फॉरेन करेंसी फॉल्स, imports becomes cheaper, demand will rise, and foreign currency will be demanded more. Second, when foreign currency becomes cheaper in terms of domestic currency, it promotes tourism to that country. Therefore, demand for that foreign currency rises. Then effect of fall in price of foreign currency on exports. When price of foreign currency falls, it has negative impacts on exports of home country. Its reason is that foreign buyers will have to pay more foreign currency for buying the same goods from home country. So foreigners will buy less and exports of home country will fall. So reasons for decrease in demand. Now we'll discuss about reasons for decrease in demand when price of foreign currency rises. When price of foreign exchange rises, imports from that country becomes costly. As a result, imports fall, leading to fall in demand and less demand of foreign currency. And second point is when foreign currency become costlier in terms of domestic currency, it discourages tourism as tourism becomes expensive. So it also reduces demand for foreign currency. Sources of supply of foreign exchange. First we have seen demand, sources of demand, and now we will see sources of supply. So how foreign exchange is supplied, or what are the sources of supply of foreign exchange? Supply of foreign exchange comes from foreigners who make a payment in foreign exchange currency for different purposes. Following factors cause supply of foreign exchange. First, when foreigners purchase home country's goods and services through exports, then we get foreign currency. When foreigners invest in bonds and equity shares of our home country, then when country dealers, currency dealers and speculators cause flow of foreign currency in the domestic economy, when Indian workers work abroad and send their savings to their families in India, and when foreign tourists come to India, by all these sources foreign currency inflows or supplies more in our country. So pursuing this example, the Indian firms and government which export Indian goods to USA will earn dollars from American residents. Similarly, Americans who travel in India and use services of Indian hotels or transport will supply dollars to India. So American companies and the individuals who buy assets in India will also supply dollars. So, these are the sources of supply of foreign currency. And what is the relation between rate of foreign exchange and supply? Like other commodities, there is direct relation between rate of foreign exchange and supply. As other commodities price rises, supply rises, price falls, supply falls. In the same manner, foreign currency price and its supply are related directly, and it will be discussed on tomorrow. So, that is all for today. Thank you.